Governor Soludo of Anambra State is one of the forces that are making sure, that are fighting tooth and nail to make sure they bring Nnamdi Kanu down. Governor Soludo of Anambra State. If you look what is going on, where the forces that are fighting Nnamdi Kanu are coming from Anambra State.
Please, my fellow Biafrans, just take home your time and watch this video. After you finish watching this particular video, please drop your opinion in the comment section and do not forget to share so that other people can be able to watch this particular video. All those things that is happening right now in Biafra land were caused by the governors of a southeast. They are trying their best to make sure that they kill Nnamdi Kanu in the prison. But I know that it will not work because Nnamdi Kanu did not kill anybody. Nnamdi Kanu is only fighting for our freedom. Nnamdi Kanu is only fighting for the betterment of all the Igbo people. Why these people are so wicked to the extent that they are trying to kill their own brother? In northern part of Nigeria, Hausa people are not doing like this. Yoruba people are not doing like this. Why always Igbo people? Nigeria government are using Igbo politicians to make sure that they buy Nnamdi Kanu. But if you know that you like Nnamdi Kanu, do well to pray for him and drop a powerful prayer in the comment section. Thank you and have a nice day.
Governor Soludo of Anambra State is one of the forces that are making sure, that are fighting tooth and nail to make sure they bring Nnamdi Kanu down. Governor Soludo of Anambra State. If you look what is going on, where the forces that are fighting Nnamdi Kanu are coming from Anambra State. Look at Yambaba. Yambaba, this guy that is doing a podcast. He's one of those, you know, sometime I think last year or last 2 years, Anambra State Task Force came after him. So now, in order for him to make Anambra State government to maybe to stop coming after him, he has to start attacking Nnamdi Kanu. So it's something that they have negotiated. Look at this other guy that they call Dizekuke. That guy, I don't know what ESN is waiting for. They need to capture that guy, flog him 100 strokes of cane that they call Tobe, Nze Tobe. They need to flog that guy 100 strokes of cane. Somebody, just because you took Nze title, we can no longer breathe for you. He's now feeling like he has arrived. See Mazi Dibia, that everybody know, that is making him part. Everybody is respecting him. He respects Nnamdi Kanu and he speaks in defense of Nnamdi Kanu. Then it now happened to be this Ekuke, this Mwabingo that just came out yesterday. He now wants to be relevant with Nnamdi Kanu's name. See all of them, all of the conferences that they are making, even Udele, that they call Ijele, all the conferences, everything that they are doing, are going towards Anambra State government. So it's Anambra State government that is sponsoring what is happening or any social media fight against Nnamdi Kanu. Soludo in person. He is the force behind all these fights against Nnamdi Kanu. So everybody must know it now. It's time we call out Soludo for he's a failure. He has failed in his state. There is no development. As a professor, everybody believe that when he enters power, that he will change, he will turn Anambra State to Dubai. But today he's missing in action. He don't know what to do again. What he's doing is to recruit. Only him has a Agune Chamber. Only him has a Kodo. Only him has a what they call them again? What was their name? Trade vigilante group. Only him. There is no good development going on in Anambra State. There is no. See Abia State today. See Abia State. Are you seeing how Abia State is? Anambra State, since Soludo came into power, no IPOB, no Biafran has conducted any protest. But see Abia State, they did their protests peacefully. Abia State government went inside. They didn't talk to anybody. They did their thing. And Abia State, very peaceful. See what the governor of Abia State is doing. See the level of development. See the level of innovations, things that are going on, inviting investors. Abia State is transforming. But somebody that you call a professor, he's a full-time failure. So in order for him, for it not to be like his idol, he need to channel his energy on fighting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, IPOB, and Biafran cause, which he knows in the next 100 years that he's not going to survive. His predecessors did it, they didn't survive, and now he want to do it, and he believed that he will survive. Just imagine how many years ago that we started this Biafran cause. Many governors has come and gone, they didn't survive or succeed. It's now Soludo that believe that that his son is disgracing him on social media, that cannot be able to control his son. Is now the general Igbo race or Biafrans that he think that he can control. He is a total failure. It's right time that we call him out for who he is. The whole nonsense that he has done. I don't know where he studies I don't know where he studied that made them to give him qualified him to be a professor, because he's a failure to be a professor. He doesn't qualify that position. When Simon Ekpa was telling you that Ifeanyi Ejiofor is the eye of Nigerian government in IPOB, many people doubted it. Simon Ekpa said that Ifeanyi Ejiofor is the eyes of the Nigerian government in IPOB, and we were doubting it because he was always coming out. Many people were doubting it because me, I'm a core follower of Simon Ekpa. I believe everything that he said. Ifeanyi Ejiofor comes out, he said he always call every Ezigbotu Mochineke. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in high spirits. All those kind of nonsense things. When Simon Ekpa busted him, he never knew. He started fighting Simon Ekpa with his SDOS. With all this SDOS, his criminal gang that he's working with. Because tell me how a sane person that is representing somebody or defending somebody, and the person is seeing that the wife of the person that he's defending is against the person, and he is working with the wife of the person. Many irregularities were going on at the background. Kanu was always countering the orders of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, but Ifeanyi Ejiofor is working closely with Kanu. All these things are things Simon Ekpa saw many years ago and busted him, but many of you couldn't see it. But today I thank God that the whole thing is coming out to the open. It's coming out in the open. Let him come and shout Ezigbotu Mochineke again. If Ifeanyi Ejiofor thinks that he's man enough, that the SDOS that is supporting him, that he's now working with them or whatsoever, let him dare use IPOB name to publish something. If he says that he is man enough, that he is lawyer, let him use IPOB to publish a post or do anything with the name of IPOB as an organization. Nobody is stopping him from working with the SDOS, but they must have a name. Let them get their own name. If they want to answer SDOS, then let them go ahead. If they want to answer Biafran community, up to them. Any name that they want to answer, that is for them. Ifeanyi Ejiofor is free to work with them with that name. But you see, to work with them with the name of IPOB, Ifeanyi, though he knows he can never try it. He knows that these people, they are playing. He knows the law very well. So he can never try it in his life. He can never. A lawyer that betrayed his client is very, very terrible.
Information reaching me is that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu rejected leaving Sokoto Correctional Center to Abuja. Remember, sometimes early this month or 2 weeks ago, I reported that Mandela, something like that, instructed Nigeria government to allow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to leave Sokoto Correctional Center, because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has no jurisdiction. They don't have any right to keep Mazi Nnamdi Kanu at Sokoto Correctional Center, because the jurisdiction of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not after the final judgment from James Omotosho that they sentenced Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to life imprisonment. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was supposed to be serving his prison terms around the eastern part of Nigeria, so that the people closer to him, people, the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu loved ones, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu good ones, even Mazi Nnamdi Kanu enemy around the eastern part of Nigeria can visit Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Or better say, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu can remain in Abuja, serving his prisoner terms at Kuje or somewhere around the division. But the Nigeria government taking Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to Sokoto Correctional Center is how do they call it in English, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not supposed to be there at Sokoto Correctional Center. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has no business to be at Sokoto Correctional Center. So they now told the Nigeria government that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should leave Sokoto Correctional Center and go to where people can access him. People can access him, because people are complaining that going to Sokoto Correctional Center is it's not that normal for them. And people, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, a lot of people that are supposed to see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, once they consider the distance and the access to meet with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, sometimes it discourages them. That is why they say, okay, normally, even with the law, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not supposed to be there. Let us be truthful to ourselves. Putting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu there is illegal and is uncalled for. So this is the reason why. But information reaching me is that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu rejected leaving Sokoto Correctional Center, but I have not confirmed fully from my resource, from my reliable source for now. So I'm pending this. I just want to bring it to your attention that I will get to the root of the matter and get back to you. Please, to my lovers and fans, I will not bring myself to so low to the extent that I will be bringing anything that is not, that I'm not sure of. So once I told you that Ngozi Arabeze met with Donald Trump at Atlanta, you investigate. There was a conference there that happens that Dr. Ngozi Arabeze was there and Donald Trump was there. Mazi Donald Trump was there. So you make your finding. If it is true, before you start commenting rubbish, the rubbish you are commenting will not bring me down, my dear. I don't too go far for that. You understand? Please, my lovers, the freedom, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu lovers, the freedom lovers, the Biafran people, please support me with. I want to get mini office in my house. It is safer for me to be in my house and make my video than going outside or walking. Please assist me. Let me get mini office. I need chairs, table, and everything. If it touches your heart, DM me or ask for my WhatsApp number under the comment section, or I prefer DM. Ask and confirm. If in fact you want to do video call to be sure it is me, help me. That is the only thing I'm asking. I'm not earning, and I don't intend to earn till Mazi Nnamdi Kanu get his freedom, because my conscience beats me a lot that I will not be making money from somebody that is Sokoto Correctional Center. If he is out and I want to make money for my content, no problem. This is not content. To me, I don't see it as a content. I see it as way as I'm coming out to say the truth. So I don't want to monetize the truth in a painful way. Please help me. I'm not saying that those that are doing it is wrong for them to do it. No, everybody sees their own things. Everybody with their own perspectives of life. Please share. Please assist me. Assist me. If with all the view and the engagement I'm getting, I'm not getting a penny from it. I feed myself. I have family. I have wife. I have children. So people think that as a small like this, no, I get people at the feed. But please assist me in all these little things. Please, I will be grateful. Thank you so much, and may God bless you all. The freedom of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the freedom of Biafran people is what we are praying for. Thank you so much, and may God bless you all.